My silly cat playing in water. That's Toothless. And that's Eclipse. He's just chilling and playing in the water. It's kind of cute. Got me soaked, buddy. Here she goes playing in it. He's the one that likes water. She, not so much. She needs to get used to the water, so I'm letting him play in it. Making a video on you for YouTube. Look at him. Shit. She's drinking it. You done? Did you get enough, Toothless? That's Toothless. Say hi to the camera. He's like, fuck you. There she goes. My new Uggs I'm wearing for the dance. I look horrible. You high on water? These two are my babies. He's the mean one, but sometimes he can be so friendly. They're soaked. She's my angel. Our brother and sister. There he goes again. You got me wet. Look at that. You got the whole place wet. You goobs. You're gonna get electrocuted. Look at you. You're so wet. I just... He's looking at it like, why'd you stop the water? She's like, hell yeah, you stopped it. He's licking himself. He's all precious. Alright guys, this is the video that I told you I was going to record. Bye!